Are you a contractor? You're an agent, or you are into building? Once you are into any type of business and you want to succeed in that business, you want people to always patronize you, you want things to work on your way, this is what you need to do. I am here to talk about how you can use only 3 items to command customers, like customers that will patronize, that will buy from you, not the one that will come and they will go. No, I am here to tell you how you can command them, and by special grace of God, after commanding, they will buy. There's nothing wrong in using do as I said. You're just using it to enhance your prosperity. And besides, they are all natural things being created by God Almighty in the heaven. So, relax and make sure to watch this video to the end. If today is the first time of seeing my face, my name is Ano Amaka. Yes, in this particular channel, we teach you how we can use some natural things to solve some of your spiritual problem, like the one you are hearing now. All right. In this particular channel, we also do consultation, also do some spiritual work. We also sell some spiritual products. So feel free to contact us whenever you need our help. As you do so, God Almighty will help you and also help us. So guys, I am here to tell you how you can command customer at the comfort of your zone, and they will come and patronize you without any murmuring, without having double-minded. If you are into contracts, you're a contractor, you're a banker, you want to make huge sales, you want to sell that building that works billions of naira, this is what you need to do. It is going to help you. And whether you are into online business or in-app a computer, this can also work for you. So what will you need? You need this native alligator pepper. You need it 7. You need cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick. You need it 1. Then you need this leaf called ogrishi. But we are not making use of the leaf. We are making use of the stem. This is the stem. Okay? Get ogrishi stem. This particular stem now is not that strong. Okay? And which is very nice and okay. So how will you make use of it? When you fetch this ogrishi leaf from its tree, get the one that has 7 leaves on each stem. You know 7 is perfection, right? Now, after fetching it, guys, in the morning when you wake up from the sleep, I want you to say your morning prayer. And after saying your morning prayer, guys, get me a little bit of sea salt. Put it inside normal water. And then use it to wash your face. First thing in the morning before you embark on this. Wash your face and make also your declaration. And after washing your face, now count 7 seeds of alligator pepper, and then this stick with a cinnamon stick. After bringing your alligator pepper in your hand, put it in your hand, and then begin to put your alligator pepper firstly on your mouth, and then your cinnamon stick. Use your tongue to bite it a little bit, and then begin to chew this as a chew stick. When you are chewing it, making a prayer that as you are commanding, as you're going to start your command, let anywhere your customers are, those who are in US, those who are in Canada, those who are in Nigeria, those who are in Abuja, those who are in Lagos, those who are in Port Harcourt, that let that contract, that huge contract that you have been pursuing for weeks, for months, and let it drop, and let people all over the world favor you. Let those whom you are going to be come in contact with, let them favor you, and let whatever you say, let them always respect your opinion and obey you. It's simple as that, but you cannot use it where I am. If you're coming on my WhatsApp and you're calling me using those I said, they work on my side. Take note. I am only giving you this recipe for you to use it on your own business, not the other way around. I don't know if you're getting me. So, you chew it. So you chew it, guys. You chew it and swallow everything. Now begin to command. When you want to command, face north. By that time you have removed this, it's not a compulsion that you must chew this thing thoroughly. When you want to command, face north, you command, you call your customer on the south, you call your customers on the north, west, and east. You are going to be facing these 4 different places and command them. Now, after your command, go and lick red oil to avoid using it to curse anybody or your children because of children palaver in the house. So after that, guys, come and see. But if you know that you can control your mouth, you can carry out throughout the day, and then you go out on your daily base, on your daily business. Like you go out and go and meet people that you want to meet. Go and do that business, and let me tell you what it does. This will make people to respect your opinion whenever it comes to meeting. It will make people, whatever you say, for example, if you're into property or you're a contract, you're a bank, whatever you say, they will believe you and they will just go straight to your wish and do that. There's no two ways about it. But do not use it otherwise. Don't use it on a bad way, please. And do not use it where I am, because it doesn't work and it can never work on me. All right, so guys, that is just the end of this video for today. I hope you like this video. I enjoyed this. Yes, guys, before I go off, I have a very quick message against those who are suffering from fibroid. You're planning to go and lie down, they will operate your stomach and remove that fibroid. Tomorrow it will regrow again. Tomorrow you start complaining of fallopian tube and other things. Don't do that. Don't embark on that surgery called fibroid surgery. Don't embark on. Treat it herbally. All right, that is why I am here to share with you this goodness. Okay, this mixture, this is fibroid mixture. It melts it, no matter how big it is. Okay, it melts your fibroid, like it makes your fibroid, and you will start seeing it coming down. But you must have to take up to 4 bottles. Okay, it's very powerful for fibroid melting, so do not embark on that surgery. All right, so if you're watching me anywhere you're watching me from and you're suffering from fibroid, get this mixture, and I'll tell you, you'll never go wrong with it, and you will surely testify and thank God and thank me later. So guys, that is just the end of this video for today. And if you need to order for any of our product or this particular product, all you have to do is to contact the number showing on your screen. All right, so guys, please, after watching this video, help me like this video, share and leave your comment in the comment section. I love you all. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely evening. Bye.